Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. What up, hum skillets? So today I am going to show you guys how to upload a journal on KDP. Yes, there's probably tons of videos, but if you are new here, you may go through this and like me, there weren't a lot of software when I first started uploading journals or books to KDP because I am an author first. So I just wanted to do this quick video. I already did my cover, I already did my interior, so this is not a tutorial on how to create a journal. It's just more so a tutorial on some things that you should do when you're uploading. I'm going to do it the old fashioned way, no tools, nothing to help me, just straight up my brain and kind of just going through the flow of how I would normally upload a KDP book or journal, okay? Um, so if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So I already logged into my KDP account here, as you see. And then I'm going to be looking right here on that first dashboard part where it says Kindle ebook or paperback. So in this case, we are going to upload a paperback book. Now remember, I'm telling you guys, I'm not using anything to help me out, so I'm going straight up rogue, old school. So the name of my journal is Marble Sketchbook, and if you did your research, you would kind of know your subtitle. So um I used to put like the size in it. You can if you want to, just because it helps. So today I'm just going to do I'm going to put the size 8.5 by 11, 24 pages, blank sketchbook for drawing and artistic sketches. So also I can do this and put that at the end because it might not look super attractive, okay? And I can leave with blank, and then I can put this little semicolon here and put the other info in behind. So that's kind of something that they see. So you can add more to this, like who is this for? It could be for marble lovers. It has pink in there, so I can do blank pink sketchbook for drawing, or I can do blank pink and gray because I think it has some gray in there. Sketchbook for drawing and artistic sketches. You can look up words that might be good to use to describe marble or a sketchbook as well. Are there something that people call it differently? Is there a different family? Do all your research, and there I'm just going straight from the dome, okay? So this isn't a series and it isn't like more than one edition. So you would just put your author name. So for right now, I'm just going to put my name. I'm not going to publish this because like I said, it's only 24 pages. But I'm going to write my name, Cinquanta Cox-Smith. Here, there's no contributor. So I would say artistic blank sketchbook for all of um, your drawings, paintings, and designs. Use the blank sketch, and we're going to try to use the words as much sketchbook to draw out your mm, daily sketches and let's see, in your action figures. I don't know, I'm going from the dome on each page. And then I usually sometimes go back in and say, this blank pink and gray marble sketchbook has 24 pages and is a 8.5 by 11 paperback journal or book. Cream pages and Matte cover with velvety finish. Pages are perfect for hours of drawing. Okay, just making up some stuff, but add all of those keywords in there. They help. So here you're gonna write, I own the copyright. Public domain is works that you are publishing that is not your own, but there's lots of free public domain work. You just would have to make sure you let them know. So here are our keywords. So we're gonna add in that pink and gray, marble, notebook, marble, sketchbook, and I can't remember if it's this that helps break up those words, but I think so. Um, Artist sketchbook for art class, sketching, designs, architecture. Oh Lord, how do you spell architect? Architect. Let's see, let me try to finish the word. Let's see. Architecture. No, I don't know how to spell it. Art, paintings, drawings, um, design class, artistic, artistic doodles for artists, and we go back, marble design notebook, male artists for design. Do your research because these probably suck. Then we're gonna choose our category, right? So gonna go to I can go to nonfiction, or I can go to comic and graphic novels, but it's probably not that. A lot of people go to literary collections and go straight down to diaries and journals. I hate that category at this point. We also have education and reference. Here we can find different things, but I'm going to stick with going to nonfiction, and then they have art here, right? So they have different art things. So we have body art and tattooing. We have collections and categories, permanent collections, conceptual, digital, film, video, graphic, individual artists. We have artist books. That'll be an awesome one for this. Artist books. We have prints, reference, study, and teaching. That might be a good one. Subject and themes, portraits, and then we have techniques. So it could be general, airbrush, calligraphy. So I'm gonna do just drawings, okay? So kind of let's find stuff where we can put the sketchbook at. So does this book contain language, situation, or images inappropriate for children under the age of 18? No. So we're moving on to the next page. And this takes probably less than 10 minutes, to be honest. You're gonna get assigned a free KDP ISBN. Okay, you don't have to worry about the publication date. And then you choose your interior. I am going to go with black and white on cream paper, or you can do black and white interior, or you can do premium color. For the sketchbook, I'm going to do black and white with white paper because I think it'll just be better for an artist, okay? So I'm going to choose my size, and let me give you guys a little tip. So normally this is the best size ever, okay? So you can click here and do select different size, and I'm going to choose 8.5 by 11, right? But I want you to notice that you can set up a different trim size, and I have a video that's coming out that I will show you guys an example of doing a weird shape design that you've probably never seen on KDP, okay? So, but for right now, I'm going to do 8.5 by 11, and then you also see non-standard trim sizes, and then more standard trim size, and then the most popular, okay? So we got 8.5 by 11. I normally do bleed, so I do PDFs. I'm going to do a matte finish. So manuscript. Manuscript is the interior of your book or journal, okay? So we're going to go ahead and look for the interior, which I labeled perfectly. That says sketchbook interior, 8.5 by 11 with 24 pages. So I know exactly what interior to upload. And then I'm going to go down here. And this one is where you use the KDP cover creator. I don't want to use that. I want to upload my PDF ready cover. So I'm going to go ahead and go down to the second one. And here we go. We have my cover, my marble sketchbook cover. All right. So we're just going to wait for that to upload. Also, I did realize that sometimes when it's time for me to open up my launch previewer, it always tells me something like my screen is too small. I just go past that because whatever. I don't even know. I got a new computer, so I don't know if I uploaded a journal on here yet. But this goes around for a little while. It takes less than a minute to prepare your files so that you can look through it. If you guys just recently watched a Canva tutorial where I created sketchbook pages, I actually just used some of those same sketchbook pages to create this interior for this upload on KDP. So I wasn't doing too much and I just briefly created a quick marble cover for this tutorial. So we'll wait till that loads. All right, so it looks like it is almost ready and will be popping up. So here we see a few things. This is the print previewer. So here it says Marble Sketchbook. This is where you get to check your shit, okay? Marble Sketchbook, authored by me. Make sure that that title says exactly what you wrote here, or you will absolutely get things. Here is a little section where it gives you quality check. So it says, please check that your interior match. Again, another chance to make sure what you wrote on the title is what you have on your book, okay? Because those are simple things where basically people will be like, well, my journal won't upload. Is your title the same? Is your sheet size the same? So this is what I was telling you guys when I was creating it. Sometimes when it's out there, they won't accept it because it's too close to that cutoff line in the print. But this looks like I basically just made it, okay? So don't be like me, be better than me. But I've been doing this for so long that I kind of know how far I can go. These look really good. And if some of that was to get chopped off, I wouldn't have a hissy fit about it, okay? So everything looks good. Also, one thing that does happen, you can do thumbnail view where it just kind of shows you all of the pages as well. You can also download a PDF of your proof here. So it just includes the whole entire proof. I'll open that up later. But also here, if your interior size is wrong or your cover size is wrong, one thing about KDP is they'll actually tell you the exact size that it needs to be, and you can go quickly back into Canva, resize it with the dimensions they give you, and then download it. So everything looks good here, and I'm going to hit approve. And then I'm going to open up this PDF proof that I just showed you guys. So here is just a PDF proof with the crop markings as well that I downloaded from KDP, just so you know you can actually do that. So here we have everything done. It just takes us back to the top of this page, and you're going to scroll all the way down where now you see a printing cost. So for 8.5 by 11 matte black and white interior with the bleed, it costs you $2.15 to basically make this book. So this is what the royalty will be when they take it out. And when you make your author copies, this is what the price will be for you. Then there it is in other marketplaces. So we're going to hit save and continue. Okay, so here it tells you you have to have a minimum. It has to be a minimum of $3.48. So if you want to make your sketchbook, let's see, $5.99. There it goes. Be $1.44, okay? That you will make. Want to charge $8.99. You'll make $3 per sale, and then expanded distribution. Somebody purchases on Barnes and Nobles or one of their other websites, you'll make $1.45 off it. So then when you're done, you're just going to hit publish your book, or you can request a printed proof of this book that you can order from Amazon. You can click that right there, And I have a video where I show you guys how to order printed proofs and author copies. So once your book is live, then you can order the author copies at the $2.15. But before that, you can order the printed proofs that come with the line across that says not for resale. So once you check everything out and everything looks good, then you're just going to hit publish your paperback. But because I'm not going to publish this book, it was just for a tutorial, I will not do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you guys how simple it is to upload your book or journal on KDP. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.